Hi, I am here to give a article review. Firstly, I introduce myself. My name is Kishantini Anapurupan Patmanathan. My metric number is A22A0997. I am EMK student and I study SAA course. Introduction of the article review is, the title of the article is Principle of New Employee. The reason I choosing this article because I have experienced that I already learned this kind of rules in my working place as part-time job before continuing my degree life. Continue to the body part. Here got a lot of questions. First question: what is the thesis statement of the text? The main ideas of the text is mistakes that should be ignored by new employees. The second question: who is the intended audience and purpose of the text? The intended audience and purpose of the text is for fresh graduate and intern. Next, we go for the key parts. The third question: what are the key parts of the text? Key parts of the text is points that our writer given is: first paragraph, being on time. The second paragraph explain our don't dress up unprofessional. In third paragraph, don't skip our orientation. And continue to the fourth paragraph, belief ability of ourselves and etc. Fourth question is, how do the key parts of the text in related? Because the writer discuss mistakes that should be avoided step by step in a new job. The fifth question, how do the key parts of the text related to the thesis statement? Because writer discuss main ideas continue by example with is or a view. The next question, what does the author do to generate interest in the argument? Author generate interest in the argument by involved with few creative words. For example, absorb by osmosis, which means process of gradual understanding knowledge. Question number 7. How does the author convince the readers of is or a notion of argument? The author convinces reader of is or a notion of argument by including personal things. Next, jump into the question about evidence. What is the evidence provided to support the thesis statement? The evidence is provided to support statement is in paragraph 7. The director advised to limiting personal calls and texts. Is the evidence in the text convincing? Yes, is it? I personally think these evidence are very convincing because the director tells the fact in the article. Overall, the author reasoning sound is for give awareness to fresh graduate and intern. That's all. Thank you. Now we are coming to the conclusion. The question is, can you relate the idea of the text to your own experience or related to the situation to Malaysia context? Yes, I can relate the idea of the text with situation to Malaysia context. New employee in Malaysia who have just entered work must avoid this kind of mistake to avoid being suspended or fired. How important is the information in the text to you as a student? I think this article is very useful to me as a student for using this article as a guidance before start my new job. That's all. Thank you.